Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you can't load some web pages in your Safari in iPhone, so how you can do it, how you can fix this error. So first thing, just close Safari and open again. Another thing you can try, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to if you use Wi-Fi, just turn off and turn on again your Wi-Fi, and if you use mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second, and just turn it off. Another thing you can try, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second, and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And also you can try to update your phone, so just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.